In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a PayPal gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your gift card so you can shop or make payments with ease. First, open a web browser. This process works best in a browser rather than the PayPal app, so go ahead and use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer on your phone or computer. If you have multiple tabs open, consider closing a few to keep things running smoothly and make sure your connection is secure. Next, head to paypal.com and log into your PayPal account. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that prompt as usual. Always double check you're on the official site before entering your credentials. Once you're signed in, open your wallet. On mobile, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and scroll down to find Wallet. On desktop, Wallet is usually visible in the top menu. This page shows all the cards and bank accounts currently linked to your PayPal account, which helps you confirm what's already there before you add anything new. At the top of the Wallet page, choose Link a card or bank, then select Link a debit or credit card. This is the option you want for a PayPal gift card because PayPal treats it like a card you can use as a payment method. Now enter your gift card details. Choose debit or credit card, then type in the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code. Take your time here. Typos are the most common reason cards fail to link. Make sure the billing address is correct. If the card was issued with a specific address, match that information. If not, use the address on your PayPal account. Keep all details private and never share your card information with anyone. After you've reviewed everything, select Link Card. PayPal will process the information and the gift card balance will be added to your PayPal account. If you see an error, recheck the number, expiration, and CVV and confirm the card is activated and supported for your region. Sometimes it helps to try again in a different browser. Once the card is linked, you can start using your balance right away. At checkout, choose PayPal and complete your purchase as you normally would. The gift card works just like a regular debit or credit card once it's linked, so you can make online purchases, pay through PayPal, and use it anywhere PayPal is accepted. That's it. Make sure your details are accurate to avoid errors, and you'll be good to go. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.